This is so cute, you guys. I like this. Let's go! I had the best sleep last night. It's time to speak. That building is the... I love the sun. On to the next another hotel. We made it to RIGA. Low energy na kami guys. Wala naman mag-live ko na. Let's go guys. Hello, hello. We made it to RIGA. And this is our day 1 here. We are going to the house of the Blackheads. And then I think also near that area is the Three Brothers, and then we will explore the National Library. This is really cute. I like this. Very funky ng design.
So we have still the building, but everything is turned around. Everything is peaceful. But that.
Sobrang bilis lumakad ng kasama ko. Okay lang, go ahead. This is so cute, you guys. We are here at the Three Brothers. Hello, we are having our dessert. No, dinner pala. We are at LIDO. It's like a buffet type restaurant. And it looks really good, so we're gonna try it. Oh no! Oh no. Very ano siya, warm. Ang sarap sa chan. Sure ko lang, send ko sa akin. Finally, some pork. Ang sarap siya. You wanna try? Kasi parang puro buto naman.
Bruh.
Parang wala akong makuha naman. Wow! Ooh! That building is the National Museum. No, National Library? National Library. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. This is our third day in our Baltic trip. This morning, our plan is to explore more of the city. We want to go to the National Library. We want to take a lot of cute photos and look around. And then there's also this market that we want to try. And then after that, in the noon, by noon, we will catch our bus going to our next destination city, which is Tallinn in Estonia. I had the best sleep last night. The bed was so comfortable. Yeah, I just passed out because I was so damn tired yesterday and my was already blistering. So wish me luck today for another 15k steps or more, probably more, because when we look at the maps and the places we wanted to see in Tallinn, it's gonna be a lot of sightseeing and walking. So no, that's what inspires us to travel more, so we can do it. Also, guys, yesterday we saw the most beautiful, amazing sunset at the bridge here in Riga. So hopefully by the time we arrive in Tallinn, we also have another beautiful sunset. The forecast today is a little bit colder, but I think we can manage. And I think I think there's a huge possibility that it will be rainy in Tallinn and Helsinki. So we will see what the weather looks like once we get there. Okay, I will take you guys with me. Let's start the day. Let's go explore. Lumabas na naman po ang mga Disney princess. Punta na kami ngayon dun sa anong tag doon? Central Market. So our plan is to have breakfast in that market and maybe look for some souvenirs and something to buy. The weather is actually really nice. Hindi siya masyadong mainit.
Hindi mo dali camera mo isa?
Dala ko. Pero tinatamad ako ilabas. Hindi siya masyadong malamig. Hindi din masyadong mainit. So perfect lang. So yeah. Guys, this is what we are having for breakfast. Actually, there's a lot of stores here. And surprisingly, sobrang linis. This is my orange and carrots fresh juice. Sarap. Okay. Parang dalawang buong orange nilagay niya. Sarap.
At malamig pa yun na.
Ay, mabit naman na madali. Anong tawag dito pala? Nakalimutan ko.
Meat pies.
Pie with potato and cheese and spinach. Sarap siya. This is like 3. To the National Library of Latvia. Let's go. I love the sun and the view is so amazing. Guys, this is the iconic book display here in the National Library of Latvia. It's so beautiful in person. So cute. Too stunned to speech. Oh wow. By the way, this level is closed whenever there's events. But today we got lucky because there's no event. So it's free. This is like 360 view of the city. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And this is for free. Ay, may ano siya eh. Highest floor. Floor 12. Wow. Actually, same lang siya ng view. Yeah. If you want to study here, it's so perfect. Unless there's a lot of people.
Talaga?
Ayun lang guys. Our plan next is to go back to the hotel and then catch our bus going to the next city. Riga is such a beautiful city, but we don't have time. But if I have a chance to go back in the future, I will. Because I feel like there's still a lot of places that we didn't see. So, yeah. This one. This is so interesting. Farewell to us. Translate. Ay, sira na naman yata. Feeling ko ano lang.
I think they will place it ng tanghali dito.
Guys, tignan yung seat namin, front row seat. Para kaming...
Ano ka na ulit? Oo nga pala.
Basta parang napagtsikahan lang natin na gusto natin to. Sa floor. Ay, grabe naman po yung front row seat na yan.
Kala sa baba.
Bugs.
Okay din dito kasi makakapagpag mo pa.
Oo, alam mo. That is it for our Riga trip. And we are now on the bus to our next destination. So I will see you on the next video. On to the next city.